it on.
That's it. You got my card in? Yes, I do. Cool. It's recording as we speak.
Where's the gear? Where's the gear disc selector up top?
We got some tool for that. You're in manual mode now. Is that what you like?
Yeah.
You're good. Good. You can use this or you can use the paddle, whatever you like. The paddles are not fixed, obviously. They're on the wheel, which is kind of neat.
Yeah. I see. Okay.
Yes. Cool. Okay. Let's come to a stop right here. We're going to wait for the pace car. Ferrari's going to go fuel up, I think, so we'll wait for the pace car to come back up.
Oh, you got to wait for the pace car, right?
That's all right. We are holding for the pace car.
Just for a second. I was like, where are you going?
We started to follow the Ferrari and didn't realize the pace car was not in front of the Ferrari, so we're ready to go behind the pace car. Thank you.
Alright, pace car, you got two. Last one is the Porsche.
Cool.
Cars.
Excellent. You're on him, brother.
Cool. Go, you beast. Be in front the whole time, I guess?
Yep.
Alright, cool, that's fine.
Yep. Yeah, so when he spins, slow down.
Okay.
On you, brother. I'll help you where you look if you need it.
Just tell me what I'm going to do.
Yep. Left hand edge, a little bit of brake, then pop off it, hard turn in, add gas on exit. Good. You're good. Same thing here at 5. Late turn in, stay right half a track. Eyes on the pine trees. Drive up the hill. After 6, shift all the way left. Turn in at that cone. When you see the track, add gas. That's it. You're great. You're on the money.
On my way.
You're doing fine, Chris. All the way down the back.
This is all familiar.
Yes. See, turn in, see if you got grip. There we go. Yep. That's it. Have you done this before, sir?
No, this is new. Wow.
Track out, add gas. Full throttle if you like. Make sure you got traction after turn in. It might float. If it does, just ease off the elevator. Yep, you're good. Good. Excellent. Right on through, brother. Left edge. Stay off the concrete. It's slippery.
Okay.
Good. Good. Excellent. Get it? Yep. If it slides, breathe off, then go right back on it. Point where you want to go.
That's my plan so far.
Yep. Trust it. You got it. You're dead on. Good. That's it, brother. Keep on rolling. You're clear.
The hills in the clouds, the V6 Mustangs will be faster.
Yes. There you go. Go ahead, do it. Do it. Yeah.
Not my motor.
Keep rolling, brother. You're doing it. Great. Yep, and then just drive through. Yes. 2's probably okay, curve.
That's what I was on. Nice and easy.
That's it. Dive on this one, see what it's, yeah, nice. Very nice.
This part I've done a couple times.
Yeah, what do you know? These are not the trees you're looking for. Spot on, dude. Nice.
laps. Let's bring it into the pit. Everybody to the pit.
Everybody in the pit?
Yes. I think we should go to the pit.
Somebody switch cars. Do you get to follow me?
That'd be great, huh?
Yeah.
They said like day number 2, they're like, you can drive whatever you want. I'm like, alright, never mind, thanks anyway. You know? Like if I keep doing that lap after lap, then I'll be buying something. Say goodbye, YouTube world. Alright, we're back on the record bed. Man, is it fucking cold in here?
Yeah, what the hell? Turn the AC
What
off.
is going on here?
I need all the horsepower.
We need the more powers! Off, I said! Off! I didn't think off was Italian.
Okay, where's the, hey Ferrari, do you have things to operate your weather?
Yeah.
Aren't you cute? And you're loud as shit.
Yeah. Let's experiment with this before we go out.
How do you get back in neutral?
Yes, like that.
Oh, cool.
You figured it out.
I could totally own one.
I could too.
Rain, okay.
If you want to try a lap on sport, feel free.
Where's the window button? Oh, cool.
If you wish to try the first lap on sport, go ahead.
Where's it, right there?
Yeah,
Okay.
just be prepared for it to dance, brother. Obviously, the turn-in is going to be more responsive than the R8, and it may be more throttle responsive too. Yeah, it's gonna be very, very nice for you.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
And the quasi, the car's blue. That's why the interior is blue. Okay. I'm like,
This is a cool car. I would buy this blue. Although the black looks amazing. The black guy, the black one comes up here. You get the black with the carbon fiber insert. Right.
oh shit, it's an auto mode.
Not anymore.
Oh, cool. Like ice shift, you do nothing.
Yes.
Faster road. It's all like, look at me, I'm a Ferrari.
Oh yeah, I love it, man.
Like, apparently you are.
Yeah. You want to get around the Porsche?
Oh, if we can.
Yep.
There we go. Okay, there it is.
You want to make sure it still did something, yeah. Porsche, could we please get by after turn 7?
You guys did nicely, yes. We're just going to stand over here. Let him get by.
Fast left, fast left. Yep. Thank you, sir. Much appreciated.
Yeah, throw it back on and...
Oh, okay, never mind then.
Yeah.
Drive it like an asshole.
yeah, just easier.
It's way too tight. Yeah.
Yep, I'm back, Mustang, you bitch.
Yeah.
Come on, baby.
Where you at now, Mustang?
No, it's coming. Come on.
Oh, big time. You know?
Yeah, I know.
483 got tamed real quick. But it still moves. It's neat. I'm impressed. I like it. Maybe if I trade everything I have, I can get like half of this.
Yeah, that's very nice, actually.
Yeah. I don't know if I'm going to buy the left half or the front half. I'm confused yet. I love them, man. I think they're remarkable. Normally you'd have looped 10 times right there.
Thanks, computers.
Yeah. Look at that.
Wow. Yeah, it definitely knows what it's doing.
Yes, it seems they've done their homework with this sport wet mode. Yeah. Spot on. Good. like, oh geez, you should turn in now, man.
Alright, we'll try one with it on. Gas waiting for something to happen, and you just kind of say, I got it. I'm like, yeah, but that's kind of boring.
I hear you. It's still kind of neat.
Yeah, it's just, you know, I'm a little more, I respect the car now, let's put that
Exactly, right. Because we want to.
I'm like, I didn't even figure out anything yet.
Yeah. I'm still messing with the buttons.